Okay, let's do this. All right, first question. You want easy riddles, moderate, or tricky? Easy. Okay. Um, what has a head, a tail, is brown, and has no legs?
Table.
Nope.
Question again?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Again, what has a head, tail, is brown, and has no legs? Nope. Okay, pass, pass. What has an eye but cannot see?
Ice.
Cannot see.
Ice nga. Ice cube.
Oh, I forgot that.
Easy mode to, ah. What has hands but can't clap?
Clock.
All right, get your prize. What has to be broken before you can use it?
I've been trying to get
Get your prize. Good. I am tall when I'm young
Age.
and short
Candle.
when I'm old. What am I?
Ayos ka. Ikaw gagaya ka ng sagot.
Hey. Okay, what can you catch but not throw?
Code.
What?
Five lang. Uy, ilan yan? Mamaya.
Okay, what comes down but never goes up?
Age. Balloon. Age.
Well, yeah, you're right. Also rain.
I mean, it does come up. Evaporation.
No. Right.
Snow also comes up.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So Chat GPT is wrong. Okay. Next. The more of me you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? The more of me you take, the more you leave behind.
Footsteps.
Yeah. Okay, next. What has many keys but can't open a single lock?
Candle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. What begins with a T, ends with a T, and has T in it? Sabi mo.
Pass.
What begins with a T, ends with a T, and has T in it?
Pass.
Pass?
What's that?
I don't know. We'll get back to that later. Okay, next. I'm not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I?
The tree.
Nope.
Ulit.
I'm not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I?
Pan.
No. Pass, pass.
Pass.
I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?
No one.
I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? What can travel around the world while staying in the same spot?
Map. Like,
Air. Wind.
What can travel around the world while staying in the same spot?
map.
No?
Oh,
It's beginning to look a lot like
Next, what has cities but no houses,
everywhere.
forests but no trees,
King cities.
cities,
Assets.
cities? What has cities but no houses, forests but no trees,
Ayan ang kuya.
and rivers but no water?
Wait lang.
map.
Like but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own.
Okay, next.
There are one boots and a kiss of the truth of the wicked.
What is full of holes but still holds water?
Sponge.
Mom and Dad,
Kanina ka ba? Oy, give chance order.
everywhere.
What has a neck but no head?
Ikaw.
I do have a head.
It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind.
What has a neck but no head?
Beginning to look a lot like the sun. Through the bag of stars. And the thing that'll make it ring is the carol that you sing.
Nope.
With me.
Pass na.
Ford.
Snow. What can fill a room but takes up no space?
Oxygen. Air. Wind. Mass.
Oh.
Beginning to look a lot
What's the question
like
again?
What can fill a room but takes up no space?
stars in every storm.
Well, you said air, right?
But the prettiest sight to see
Wind.
That's not the answer, eh?
is the holly that you
Him.
on your own.
Okay, next.
Door.
The more you have of me, the less you see. What am I?
Christmas. One. More.
Wind. Air. Wind. Night.
The less you see.
Night.
The more you have of me, the less you see. Okay,
Pass.
pass. What is always in front of you but can't be seen?
Shadow. Air. Oxygen. Wind.
But can't be seen.
Nose.
That's not the answer,
Shadow nga.
but you can see it. You can see it
Your
in the mirror. Your nose, you can see it in the mirror.
Reflection.
But your
Ulit nga, ulit nga.
heart.
What is always in front of you but can't be seen?
Yourself.
From
You
now
can see yourself in the mirror.
on.
It's something that you can't see in the mirror.
But stars.
That's a hint.
Sure.
Iba yun yung isa. Yan na yan. Iba pa kayo kayo.
Okay, next. I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me for very long. What am I? I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me for a very long time. What am I?
Ako na guess the logo na lang. So,
Later.
ito.
Later. Okay, pass. Five. I'm always there, some distance away. I will follow you around, yet I vanish at night. What am I?
Ito.
Sabay kayo eh.
Hindi pa rin siya eh.
Favorite comedy.
Get the pen.
Ah,
Yung palit mo na lang.
hindi. Ano, 5 na. Oh.
Okay. What has an end, but no beginning? A home, but no family, and can fly without wings. Sorry. Hard. Okay. Next. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years?
Ano po yan? Teka lang.
What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? Letter M. Okay, last na to last na. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it?
Trust. Promise.
Secret.
What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it?
Bench. Christmas.
No?
Faith. I don't know, pass. Wala na, ma. Last na yan. Request na logo na lang.
Ano?
Hey Spotifyers, click or tap the banner to listen to the Top Tracks Philippines playlist.
Okay,
The best hits
last
from your
na.
favorite artists.
What is black when it's
Chart
clean
numbers all in one place.
and white when
Up to
it's
you.
dirty?
Download Philippines. Yourself with the world's newest holiday treats.
Ano, what for you?
Famous.
Eh, kanina ka pa.
Ang galing ko. Baby natin siya, Jara.
Yay!
May libre.
Next, ayoko ng game.
Saan ka mag-search?
Dito ko sa image generator.
Image generator?
Discover more music without
Valley.
interruptions. Listen to millions
Valley.
of songs ad-free with Spotify Premium right now. Get 3
Oh,
months for 75 pesos now and cancel anytime. Banner to learn more.
Okay naman lang sa amin, tapos ano, wag mo, katakpan na yung pangalan. Ay, naka-white key. Oo.
It's unable to provide actual images of famous logos.
Saan?
They are copyrighted. So Google.
Better not,
Google na.
better not call, I am telling you why. Santa Claus is coming.
Ay, naku yan. Haha. Ito,
Make a list. Second it.
ay, sorry yun yan.
Gonna find out who's the naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to the town. And he sees you when you're asleep.
Okay,
And he
first.
when
Oh, wait lang, I need a paper to cover it.
you've been bound, so they got for
Goodness.
Yung unang fold para yung ano.
You better.
Okay. Ay, you saw it na? I.
Domino's. Domino's, 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 Domino's,
Okay.
Domino's. Yay. Hinapon mo naman. Okay. Target. Ganun na siya.
Whoa.
Ito. Ano?
Is. Pangkal.
Sige, oh, you know that?
Lace.
Lace, 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 lace,
Huh?
lace, lace,
No.
lace. Pringles, lace.
Oo nga, no?
Oy, but, oy, 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 oy.
No, it's not.
Siya lace.
No. Ah.
Mr. Maxel.
No.
You better not cry.
Ah.
You better not cry. Panic cry.
Tingin, kita na.
Ito lang.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not cry. I'm telling you now. Santa Claus
Ay,
is
pa.
Inantang pariya natin.
I'm in a big fat man with a long white beard.
Big fat man, hindi lang one year.
And the kind
Wait, dapat. Pepsi. Pepsi. My five.
Kaya.
Oh, mahirap. So, alam niyo kaya to?
Ayan.
Epox.
oh, I Christmas
Wait lang, di pa
Wait lang, wait lang.
Not identify this.
I used to know.
Evon?
What you thought
Ano?
What's Evon?
was so
Di mo alam Evon?
Anyway, that's Sony Ericsson used to have that. Para siyang, cellphone. Nokia, gano'n.
Sa phone brand.
Yeah.
Oh, please.
Oh,
Next, 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 next.
Siyempre, hindi ginagawa.
Wala pa. So,
Wait lang.
maybe. Wikipedia. Ano? What?
AT&T.
Indian. No, that is-
AT&T mabuhay. Okay, ito.
Pizza.
Ah, galing ah. Two more?
Yeah. Tumor.
Two more.
Murmur. Evon. EXP.
Yard BBM. I don't know.
Let's see. Did. Can't.
Yes, I guess.
Isang feel lang mo na.
Is it? Eh, sabi ko.
Ito, di ba? Pero Riverdale. Riverdale. Eh, mali. Well, it's
Oh, ito. Next.
yes, sir.
Di pa ako nakatingin.
The worst car brand ever.
Why worst?
Electric.
Oh, ay. Okay.
Kiwi. Ayan, Filipino yan. Filipino ba yan?
No.
Apex. What?
Norby.
Ay, it's Kodak.
Oh!
Japanese.
Kodak.
I'm not sure. I think Japanese siya.
5 na lang.
Okay, magdalawang.
Hindi niya nabutan
Yeah.
yun. Okay. Ano na lang?
Parang hawak.
Wait lang.
Hirapan mo. Isa na lang yun, no?
Okay.
DreamWorks.
Wow.
Oh.
It is DreamWorks, right?
Yeah, it is.
Kasi walang name eh. Maglulog pa. Yay!
Oh, tara, paramihan tayo. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.